Sorry sir, no rolling. Excuse me, no rolling. That's why you shouldn't be no rolling. Did you get the rule? No rolling? Sir?
You turn me in?
Yes.
Next turn out.
You know what's a real beating?
Fast.
Dustin, get that rolling out of here.
Take it, the person with the rolling cart, please. Take the next ferry.
This is the third report of rollers we had today.
Let's go, Dustin, rolling. Sorry sir, no rolling. Sorry sir, no rolling.